Hey everyone, this is the instruction guide on how to download files from your Etsy shop. Now this is for any digital download. You can follow these same steps. All you have to do is go to etsy.com in Safari. Once you're there and you're logged in, at the top right you'll see your name and your picture. Click on it and you're going to scroll down and go to purchases and reviews. Now you'll see all of your downloads right here. All you have to do is click on download files, and this is an example of some of the stickers that I have downloaded. When you click on that, it'll show you another screen of every single thing that you can download. And once you click on it, it'll show you another window, and then you'll have everything downloaded in your iCloud files folder. If you're going to be purchasing my new Spark Hearts Portrait Planner, you're going to find 4 files. The first of which is going to be the planner. The second is a Goodnotes file of all your stickers. The third is a PNG folder, which is a zip folder with all your stickers, and an instruction guide. So let's start with downloading our planner. When you click on the first file, it will open up a new window with your planner already there. Click on the share button at the very top, scroll down to open in Goodnotes. Once you click on it, it'll ask you again if you want to open in Goodnotes. Click on open. You'll now be redirected into the Goodnotes app. Click at the bottom where it says import as a new document, then click where you want it to go and click on import document again. Now it's going to take some time to download each and every single page for your liking. And here it is, you guys, your brand new planner. Look at that, super easy, it's ready to use. Always remember, if you want to click on all the hyperlinks, make sure drawing mode is turned off. As you can see, all the links work. If it's on, you will only be able to draw and none of the links will be able to be clickable. Now let's open a Goodnotes file of stickers. So this is going to be super easy. You're just going to click on it and you're going to click on download, and it goes directly into your files folder. As you can see here, there it is. So I already have it. I have many of them to do this tutorial. But I'm also going to just do the same thing with the zip folder so that we can do both of them. So both of the files are there. So now what we're going to do is go into our files folder. So first we're going to locate our file. It's either in the downloads folder or your recents folder. And let's do the zip folder first. Just tap it and you'll see that a new folder appears. Now this is the folder that has all of your stickers inside. So this option is really great if you like to drag and drop your stickers into your planners and keep them safe in your files folder. As I like to do is swipe at the side and see all of my stickers. To do this, you have to drag up the folder icon onto your planner, and you can see at the side all of your stickers are ready to go. So that's how I usually plan, but this is only one option. If you like using a Goodnotes sticker book, I'm going to show you how to install that right now. One way is going to the plus sign and importing the Goodnotes file. So once again, we are in iCloud and we're going to locate our file. Usually it should be in the recents folder. So once you get there, you're just going to click on that file and it should open up directly into Goodnotes. And there you go. So what you want to do is use the lasso tool, circle the sticker that you want, click copy, go back into your planner and paste. And there your stickers are ready to go. So you do have 2 options with the Goodnotes file or with the individual PNG images. So it's up to you on what you would like, but I do show you that you can use both of them and you can install both of them extremely easily. So thank you so much for watching. Super happy that you were able to follow this guide. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. As always, please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. See you in the next one. Bye.